Welcome to the channel. My name is Samira. Thank you so much, my old subscribers and my new subscribers. Please, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please you can do that now. You can like, comment, let me know what you think about my tutorials. You can also turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified to see my new tutorial. You'll be the first to see it and watch it. Today I will be teaching you guys simple way to cut and sew your pants, and I'm using crepe material that has design on it. It's a leftover pieces. You can also use your leftover pieces to make your own when making your own too. So if you are interested to know how to make this kind of style, please I will implore you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making today. So guys, let's get started now with our tutorial for today. Yes, the perfect way to make your pants, you need to start with your hip measurement. So I'm going to remove 1.5 inch for the band to get my length, and my length is by 17 inch. Okay, so I'll mark 17 inch for my length. Okay, so guys, please keep on watching so that I can see the outcome of this style that we are making today. So from my waist to my hip line, I'm going to mark 7.5 inch. Okay, please, from my waist to my hip line, I'm marking 7.5 inch. All right, so I'm marking 7.5 inch from my waist to my hip line. All right, so I will mark 1.5 inch to get my crotch. So I'm marking 1.5 inch to get my crotch. All right, so I'll rule the 1.5 inch for my crotch. Please, I hope you are following up. So I'll mark 36 inch for my hip. Okay, so my hip is 36 inch. All right, so it's 36 inch for my hip. So I'll connect the line. I'll draw a line for that. Okay, so now I'll go for my waist measurement, which is 26 inch. So my waist measurement is 26 inch, and my hip is 36 inch. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll curve my crotch. Okay, so I'm curving my crotch. Hope you are following up, guys. So now my hemline measurement is 11 inch. So I'm marking 11 inch for my hemline measurement so that it will be wide. Okay, so guys, what I'll do now, I'll connect all the marks together. You can see that this way of cutting your pants is very simple. You can see how simple it is. It's not difficult, just for you to follow the procedure that we are using to cut these pants, and you are going to get your own when making your own. Okay, so I'm connecting it. Guys, don't forget we are making the front piece. All right, so this is the front piece that we are making. You can see how simple it is. So now we are cutting. So after cutting, then we are going to cut the back piece. You can see that I'm not adding any allowance, any sewing allowance for the front piece, because we are making the front piece first. So we are going to do that at the back side. We are going to add all the allowance at the back side. All right, so this way is very simple for you to cut your pants. You can see how simple it is. So I want you to make your own after watching this tutorial. And guys, you can just pause now. So please subscribe. You can turn off your notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload new tutorial like this. You can also watch my other tutorial that I have on my channel, so you can also learn the other styles that we have. Please support this channel to grow. by watching my tutorial to the end, especially this particular one that we are making today. So this is the back piece. So the back is bigger than the front. So now we are going to add all the sewing allowance. Alright, so from my crotch I'm going to add 1 inch. Okay, you can add more than that. You can see that my fabric is very small, so I'm adding 1 inch from my crotch. Okay, now so I'm adding 1 inch at both sides. Okay, so you add 1 inch for your waistline, you add 1 inch for your hem line. So now I'm going to remove 1 inch in the front, then I will curve it. I'll curve the waist. Okay, so I'm adding 1 inch. Okay, all right, so this is how to go about it when making your own. Okay, so like I said, you need to remove 1 inch in the front so that you can curve the waistline. Okay, you know that the back is higher than the front, so I'm removing 1 inch in the front. Okay, so okay, remember that the back is longer than the front, so what I will do, I'll add 1 inch at the center back. So I'm cutting it now. You can see that it's very easy for you to understand how to cut and sew it on your own. So guys, please don't forget to watch this tutorial down to the end so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making today. So the next step, we are going to cut our band that we are going to use to complete the length of our pants that we are making today. So guys, you can check my other tutorial also so that you can also watch the other styles that we have on my channel. So please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making today. We are making pants, how to cut and sew a simple pant like this. So guys, keep on watching to see the outcome of the style that we are making today. So guys, like I said, you can watch this tutorial to the end for you to support this channel to grow. So the next step is our band that we are cutting now. So I'll go for my length. My length is 15 inch while the width is 2 inch. So after that, I'll just take it to the machine, I'll run a stitch on it, then I'll attach it to the pant. So you can see our pant is ready. You can see how beautiful it is, very simple and unique. I hope you understood what we did today. Guys, keep a date with me again. Don't forget, the material that we use is crepe material and is leftover material. You can also use your own to achieve your own style. Please don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe. You can share, like, comment, let us know what you think about our tutorial, and you can give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it, guys. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.